Hello, welcome back. Felix has done storm. Hello, we're going to be looking at a pipe. It looks like we've got a bit of a blockage, but I'm not too sure what's going on here. There's wet watermarks all the way over here, so I'm thinking somebody's already been out to this one today. And I think somebody's already unblocked it already, which is what all that debris is down there. But there is a bit of more debris, and it looks like they might not have been able to get all of it out. But all this fence has been pried up. Lots of land has slipped in here and here, because this all used to be really nice, done. And this stuff is not dry, it's still got grass on it, so the water wasn't up here flooding the road. I think somebody has either gone in and unblocked it, or... no, I'm not too sure really, but it's definitely been unblocked, but I can't figure out where all the debris's gone. You've got all that there. I just don't know where it's gone. I mean, it's so much clearer, there's not much flow, but we've got a big storm coming tomorrow. So maybe they're just doing some maintenance. We have had 60-mile-an-hour winds today. There's branches hanging out of trees all over the place, so I think somebody's already beaten us to it, because all this bankside here is all wet, all of that is drenched, and over there is drenched, and down here, so I'm wondering if somebody's beaten us to it. So I would set up the camera at the end of the pipe on the tree with some hook and film it from there, but because there's like no flow, so there's not really anything here, we are going to be doing this one by hand. However, the next one, there looks to be water still flowing across the road. So we're going to unblock this one, which is just literally some sticks and moss, some seeds, and still some stuff coming down. To get all this out of here. I'm not sure how we're going to be able to get it out if we then have to slide in, but I don't think we'll bother with the gloves. Put the wellies on, and we're just going to slide in. We'll try and maybe let a bit of it pass. Oh, there's a big ass rock in here. That's going to help blockages form. We might as well get that out of the way. That's new. Don't want to cause any blockages downstream. And this thing, I ain't going to be able to get out of here, so we'll just tuck that to the side. And I can say that this fern needs to be tucked out of the way, and now all of this, and you see it's already starting to come out, start again. It looks like there was a bit of erosion today, but the bottom of the pipe's full of gravel. There's all sorts of rocks here which will help stuff form. I've got a poodle, my bird. That's going to go out of the way, and that's everything we can do with this pipe here. It probably wouldn't have increased the flow at all. No, just some debris that's coming out because I've disturbed the bushes. This water was like up here last time. There's a really deep plunge pool there, but the water was definitely really high. I'm wondering maybe there was a dam or something down here. But this is really confusing. Right. Pipe is completely open. It's draining back. So there's definitely a lot of sediment that's built up. There's definitely no water going across the road in either of these places. But we managed to unblock this pipe and it's looking pretty good. I'm really happy with how it's come together. You can see all the erosion happening. There's a root in there which just collects all this debris that's been eroded. But you can see all of this is just built back up. I got rid of all of this the other day, and it's all come back down. It's not even like we've had rain. We haven't had any rain, so this literally all just come down. Just increased flow quite a bit there. What would be cool is if we blocked the end of the pipe with a big rock, lifted the rock and let all that water through. It would be able to flush the entire inside of the pipe out. It would carve a nice channel so no debris gets stuck like it's already starting to happen there. So the inside of the pipe has got a blockage again. And I'm just trying to get my foot in there. The foot's done a bit. It's just the root is just a pain. Someone needs to come out here with some secateurs and sort it out. And there's people coming. This place is creepy at this time of night. It's 7:15, so I know it's not late, but yeah. But yeah, definitely got this one working so much better. It's self-carving itself now. The flow's gone down, so it will just erode the gravel, as you can see. See all that material being moved. So it's literally going to self-erode. So yeah, this pipe I expect I'll be doing because I don't think anybody else does it. We've got a lot of rain forecast for tomorrow and Saturday. We've got thunderstorm warnings in place. We've also got amber heat warning in place. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you next time. Goodbye.